The pigeon pose is a challenging hip opening exercise that can help stretch tight glutes and improve stiff external rotation. To get into this pose, start in a kneeling position with one foot in front of the back knee. Then you're going to let the front knee fall outwards towards the floor. Your front knee doesn't need to be at 90 degrees. For 90% of people, that's going to be too difficult. Bring your ankle towards your body. Pull your foot in towards your groin. It should look like a number 7 rather than a 90-degree angle, unless you can get into that position. Flex your front foot and keep the hips square. Don't roll over onto your bum just to get lower. Flex your foot so that you don't feel it in the knee. Now we want you to sit as upright as possible. The aim here is to work into the hip joint, and by being more upright, you can increase the stretch around that joint. Aim to build up the time you can spend in this position. Start with 20 seconds. Look to stay in that position for up to 2 minutes, increasing your stretch over time.